this guy is struggling with the lead quality. So let's see what he's doing wrong. Conditional logic forms and fake leads. What's gonna happen if you get fake leads? Here's what this guy has to say. Hey guys, I'm running a business in health industry and I'm trying to get leads for my sales team from Meta ads. First, I tried instant forms, but out of 1,000 leads, I could only sell to 2 of them. I can say around 95% of the leads were non-responsive. After doing some research, I figured out instant form algorithm of Meta is bad. I won't use the word because here we are civilized people. Afterwards, I came across conditional logic forms and random. I added 5 questions to make sure that I only get people with high intentions. Also, I run a landing page ad where I directed people to my page so they can fill the form there manually. Still, I'm facing big problems trying to get a response from many leads I get. I closed the landing page one because I got around 30 leads from there and I only could contact to around 6-7 of them, which made no sense because they filled the form to get informed about our service manually. My last hope of Meta is the conditional logic forms where response rate is higher, but lately around 50 to 60% of the lead do not respond or block me immediately. I'm starting to lose hope of Meta ads. All evidence suggests that they either created a system where they send fake leads to people or cannot block people who do so. Hoping some has a tangible solution to this. Best regards. So here I think in the comments this guy said the problem is bots are clicking on your ads and the leads are fake. So I'm not sure if this is the case. I don't think this is the case. If you have a similar problem, you can do fraud detection software or you can install Microsoft Clarity, but I don't think this is the case here. Okay, so let me show what I mean. So the way I understand it, the way I see it, the business of this guy works in a very, very similar way. He's running Facebook ads, right? He's running Facebook ads to a lead form. People leave their name, phone, email, and after that, their sales team calls the people, right? Calls the people. So I don't think there is something wrong with this process. This is process proven to work. Another thing I would like to point out before I go into my solution and my conclusion is that I think there is also like the product to market fit might be wrong. There might be something wrong with the product to market fit, and also the positioning, right? So you can increase the lead quality. First thing you could do would be to improve your positioning. And to improve your positioning, the very first thing you could do in your ads, in your landing page copy, would be to call out the audience, right? The first thing could be to call out the audience. You said you're in the health industry. I'm not sure what is the health industry. You said that you have a sales team. So I'm not sure what the health industry is all about. Are you selling like weight loss? Are you selling like gym equipment? Are you selling like what you're selling? But this is something that you need to think about, right? To think about who is your market? Who is your customer avatar? The first thing to fix your position is the who, right? Who are you selling to? The second thing to fix your position is what's in it for them. What's in it for them? If there is one marketing question that will change your life and overall life, is the question, what's in it for them? What's in it for them? I won't spend time typing because I use my mouse to draw this. However, ask what's in it for them. Is there something really valuable? Why should they leave their phone number, right? Why should they leave their email? there. Another thing I want to notice, I want to talk about, right? The third thing, right? What's your intent? What's your intent? Why do you want the lead? If you say leave your name and email and we're gonna contact you, people will do it. Will do it. So be clear in your intent. For example, if you offer like let's say something free, a lot of people will go for the free stuff. Let's say a lot of people will go for the free stuff. So be clear in your intent. If you go for leads this way, be clear in your intent. Say that leave your name and email and we're gonna give you a call and we're gonna offer the pricing or whatever you want to do. But just if you offer something free, if you offer something that's not with a very clear intent, you're gonna get a lot of bad leads, right? So if you have a sales team, right? If you have a sales team, why not have people call you, right? This should be a phone. And so here at the very beginning, instead of like the salespeople calling your team, instead of like the salespeople calling the leads, have the leads contact the salespeople directly. I think those are some of the things I would change. But I think your problem is like fundamental. The problem is with the product to market fit and the positioning. And also I believe like reversing the process of who's calling who will dramatically improve your lead quality. So anything I said in this video, I think it's very, very relevant. I don't think it's very relevant. I know it's very relevant from experience. So yeah, this was the video for today. My name is Niko. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Here I go on Reddit. I answer questions. I solve real problems. I provide real solutions. I share my expert opinion because at the moment I'm running ads for 5 ad accounts, So yeah, I'm ending this video now. Bye for now. Don't subscribe. I don't